So we got our NES haul from the Too Many Games, and we're gonna play these. We got a bootleg made by the same company that does Bible Adventures. What is it called?
Color Dreams.
Color Dreams, and it's Captain Comic. We'll do that one first, and then we'll. Well, do you want to do Kid Nikki second, and then what? Hook, because Hook's like a platformer. Okay, cool. So we'll do that. Kid Nikki's one from when I was a kid. So, anyways, we'll get set up here. Oh, that's kind of good. You know, that Bible Adventure wasn't a bad, like, graphic-wise and all that. What is this guy? Is he a spacesuit? Okay.
You're taking damage, I think.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I wasn't sure, because they disappear, you know? You can only jump, so it's just an avoid game.
Well, you didn't die then, though. Maybe that's something like it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you do that. All right.
There's
Well, now we learn how
fuel,
to die.
so maybe you get a jetpack or something. Can you, like, float up?
I'm like,
This
we're
game's
not
hard.
everything. Yes, it is hard.
The music is not that good.
No, it's not. You like jump into it. It's like almost like they move into you. Alright, let's just go a little further. What's that do? Oh, I got a gun now. Does it look like there's a counter on it?
Yeah, the top. Hold down the button. Hold down the shoot button. Oh, you died.
Oh,
Checkpoint.
yeah. It's not really easy. It shoots fast, but... Oh, what's this?
Runs. Oh. This is backward. You just took damage from a bug. Dead.
Yeah, that's crazy. You can't
You
duck
gotta
and
jump.
shoot.
I know, but you gotta
can't-
at least figure out that you can jump over him.
Yeah, I got that, but I was...
You fell in the
I
hole.
suck.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually kind of fun. But it's easy to get hurt, so it's good that they're forgiving, kind of. You don't, like, have a reaction to it. You just kind of keep moving. Sucks without the gun, because you can't even get away from the birds. It's not awful.
No, it could be way worse. I'm gonna die.
Get your shield. There you go. I've played a lot worse.
Yeah.
Like Spy vs. Spy, I thought was way worse.
That game sucked.
Yeah. That one bird just goes nutty on you. It's like a follow mechanic. That one that just hit you.
You like time combat. Okay. Okay,
Zero
checkpoint right there. Okay, now, is there like an end to this, or this is... Oh, key. And then a door.
Can you get in the door?
Yeah.
Hey, we got past first board. That's the goal of these.
Isn't that bad? It's like a pirate.
No,
It's stolen. It's like plastic gold. It's like public building.
Yeah.
I'm gonna die soon. That's okay. Let's get to that. bad.
It's not bad. Now for my kid Nikki. Let's see if it's as good as I remember or if it's awful. It was a very difficult game. I played a lot of it. Please work.
Oh, I read something. So.
Oh, yeah. It's a little off. It's almost there. Come on, baby. You could do it.
I might just need to get a cleaning. Is that it?
It's almost. I'll play it like this. I like, oh my goodness. Memories are coming back. Nope, that's definitely not
Here,
it.
let's clean it. Pause the video for a second.
All right. Let's play through the title screen. Kid Nikki. I kept calling it Kid Icarus for what, 10 years?
Forever.
And then what, Rod figured it out for us?
No, you did, because I showed you Kid Icarus. And you're like, that's not
it. All right.
Sure.
I just remember this being so hard. Oh, the music. Ninja School.
Did you almost game?
Mm-hmm.
About like Kung Fu.
It probably took its keys from that one I always died on. You can see where I would normally die there. Yeah, it's definitely got the vibe from
You get
Kung Fu. Well, it's Ninja School. Red guys throw stuff too. Just like itch my eye. Oh, that
I thought you
close.
could die. Did you fall through the water?
Yes.
You like
I caught the
landed like
edge
the
of it.
pixel.
On the edge of it. You have to do that stutter. Oh, I remember this guy. He was so hard because he would knock your thing out. I don't even remember how to do it.
He has to do. He probably has to like jump, and he has to do for him. Yeah, he'll get tired. You have to hit him when he does that.
Oh, was he saying ugh? So that was working. I forgot how to beat it. We're gonna have to look that up. Yeah, I'm actually gonna play this. Like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to get a Retron in the other room.
But I have the NES already that you can
Oh,
use.
that's right. I should set that up.
You still have it in your room, right? I didn't bring it back here. Did I got the you can steal a Retron 5 from Grandma's house too.
Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna have to watch how to beat it now. I completely forgot. I think it's just torturous. You know what I mean? Like, you have to just get it right.
When you were a kid, did you play this first level?
A million times
Did you
because
ever
you
get
had to go
past it?
back. Yes, but it's one of those things that I failed it more than I won it, so I don't even remember.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's it right there. Okay.
You just gotta run away and not take.
Oh,
But you don't want to get that thing. That's what hurts you.
All right. I'm not. Yeah, I'm already getting frustrated. All right, that was good. And now we're gonna do your hook, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So next is gonna be hook. All right. I'll go grab my coffee. I'll be right back. I love that. The whole thing's coming back to me. You know, I spent hours on that game because that guy, he's so hard to beat. So hard. This will be Tinkerbell. These weird graphics. Who is that? Peter Pan?
Yeah. It's supposed to be Robin Williams.
Is this supposed to be based on the movie?
It's based on the movie.
Oh, jeepers.
It don't look like him. It's called Hook. What do you think it's based on?
Well, that didn't look like Tinkerbell from the movie either.
Yes, it did look like Tinkerbell. She was played by the short-haired Tinkerbell.
Julia Roberts. That's right. I'm thinking Disney Tinkerbell.
Yeah, that was probably the most accurate-looking thing in this.
Yeah.
Now his sword is like pitiful. Look at that.
Well, that's all I had was a little. How come you can't kill him? You gotta stab him in the back.
This game is not that good, but it's the version on the
you gotta
Game Gear's
get
way
it
better.
perfect.
The version on the Game Gear is way better.
The hitboxes are minuscule. It's like, why would you ever try and kill anything? What's that guy?
I think it's somebody upstairs. I'll not be here too.
This has to have been a game for something else that they just turned into.
Oh, probably.
What the hell was that? Yeah, they didn't have no dragons and.
I mean, I did have mermaids and Peter Pan.
Yeah. And if anything you could think of was real. You get that.
No idea where I'm supposed to go.
That's where you came in. You didn't go that way. It's because there's nothing that way. You got a thimble. Oh, that's your lives. That's so funny.
I have to get down there. Should I pay her it's a puzzle platform. It's like a maze thing.
It looks like something from the Game Boy. You know, the sprites and whatnot.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
made
this
for
the Game Gear
right?
version. No, the Game Gear version is different. It's way better. Game Gear version is way more simple. Like, oh, what?
How come you can't use your knife?
Jesus. Stupid. Why can't? That's so stupid. Like, how I can't even like barely do anything.
Yeah.
There's no response at all. What?
This is the worst game ever. I think Bible Adventure is better than this. No?
I mean, it's not good, but it's not like horrible. Like, I played way worse than this game.
Where's those guys?
At least in like the Game Gear version, you can like fly and stuff.
Yeah, I'm wondering why you can't. Oh, those are items. Can you? Oh my goodness! Really?
You can't go there yet. You have to choose yeah, move it around. You're gonna listen to me now.
What?
Move the compass around. Eventually, a name will pop up to a place you can go to. Yeah, you have to do diagonal for someone. But yeah, you only have 2 unlocked. So there's no 2 of them.
Yeah, this is not good.
I believe it was the versions on the Genesis and or the Super Nintendo were good. And this one was like the crappy one.
You can't kill nothing.
Yeah.
There's no sense in killing
Game
them.
Gear is way better.
What is he doing?
Like blowing air out at you.
Alright, that was good.